Festival hair season is around the corner, so I have some great ideas for you. Are you ready? Okay, so what's so fun about this look is you can literally do it on any hair texture. I so happen to have a wave in my hair right now, but you can have this on straight, curly, day 2, day 3, day 5, I won't tell anybody. What you're gonna start with first is you're just gonna split your hair down kind of the center here. When I bring it to the back, I'm kind of going jagged with my fingernails. I'll show you. Okay, so I'm just going to take my section and I'm going to pull out some of these hairs. I like a little softness. If you like it to be tighter, bring it all back. Now I'm going to create a 3-strand braid. What's really important about doing that is you're going to create it going under, not over. Now we're going to take a little aspect. All right, repeat the same thing on the other side. All right, awesome, and this is it. Just kidding. Okay, so now we're going to use the Puff Me, and this is the light. What we're going to do is we're going to take off the cap, and now we're just going to puff it right into the braids. And what this does is gives the braids a little extra texture. So what I want to do is just kind of puff them out. Now my hair is a little bit on the finer side, so I don't want the hair to slip out or look like wimpy. I want the braids to get nice and juicy and plump. So by adding this little bit of texture spray, this is really going to help me achieve that look. All right, same thing on this side. So hot tip, when we created the braid, notice I left some hair on the ends. This is really good to be able to do because when I go to pull out the braid to make this fatter, you need to have a little bit of hair, otherwise it'll all fall out of the elastic. So I want to start from the bottom, pulling it out, and then I slowly move up the braid. And that way I have that little extra hair to be able to pull out of the elastic there. That's it. Okay, so this is the next part. We're gonna take our KB scrunchies. Cute, right? This is gonna be fun. Now I'm gonna take one and I'm just gonna loop it through, just like so. And then I'm gonna loop that through like that. So now they're connected. I'm gonna do it again with the next one. So I loop it through.
Slide that in. One more. The last one. Looping it through the pink one. So the green is around it. And I'm gonna insert that through the green again.
So it's totally looped through. So now I got all these cute little fun festival scrunchies. I'm going to take a bobby pin and put it on the one side, just like so. And then I'm going to take the other bobby pin and put it on the other side, just like so. So you got 2 bobby pins. Okay, so you have your 2 braids in the back, and we're just going to crisscross them over, just like that, to make a milkmaid braid. Now I'm going to use a bobby pin as well, just to secure this in my hair on this side, and also on this side. Alright, so now that the braids are all in place, We're going to now take the scrunchie headband with the 2 bobby pins, stretch it so it's as big as it can get, and you're going to slide those bobby pins just along your hairline here. For extra security, I'm just going to take another bobby pin and just crisscross that bobby pin that I just slid in. If your hair is longer, these headbands can actually just kind of attach to the braids that you created, but mine's not quite there yet, but that's okay. It still looks like they're all attached. There you have it. It's a fun headband, flower crown without the flowers. I hope you like this flower crown idea for festival hair season.